Welcome back. It's the Higher Table Podcast, Venrap Radio Station. Ndichikola zorene pone wabahone. Yeah man, rikopfana. Ukadiwota kaliwa. Namsidzona vamwe nadzo kuvuruva yava. Vamwe vazidiwa social media udzuro na mafungo, udzuro tanganana. Today I'm looking at a brand new album, with Mvusuludzo. The album by Msuwana one of them is Ramzeey. Yeah man. Dramarata ndi mumwe waswana vanochida when it comes to music, man. The guy is gifted, the guy is talented. He gives us something every time. It's worth listening to, The Kamba has an album in our brand new pop album. In Mvusuludzo. On a track, you can skip Krenda. Like you play track uvamatomoni usika magumoni. You are listening to this album. This is a song for everyone, man. This is a song for mutu mwana mumwe. It's a 20-song album. So unavanjone wako diambo kudzamori. Hey, ndiri downloadiwa this and that. Kanti nichiranga beat ichidaka ni ani ndiro download vaka email arananga online. And then even if it's like that, so kaki a guy or ayaring album. If you don't understand it, you can't have a song without proper documents. Ni release. If already claim ID wakayo, na one is na prove in authorization kano renga beat heneyo. Ninga sido release kazi online stores. Ngoro na zingine bayazi zaba tubazi chekulusa na mina zote, but kanda hezo. Let's forget what negativity, let's forget what wako so kwamba with that wako zamutsikeleza. One thing I love ndizori album has been trending. Attitude of Hofi unarubyo imbolune ai batoko rufuna lasunda kwamba zone ndina track yananga nini ngwene ndabori musichi dakayo ish ai yanrita man yanzinginyisa the track ine hezi chiko rodo ziforia ndikufa zwithu apa man nduri Ramzeey ukuwafisa the track ichinyeke don't have fun track in the mboforo. It's one track in our rich tamba yane. I really enjoy, I really hear ya kwamba zuzinji. Una track njinga mandas notakata. So what I'm gonna tell you guys is go get this album. It's available because the online stores zote the Ramzeey mswaramanata Mvusuludzo. Na track is nunga mboforo empty bed. Dingwa the track in our ya seen that yamba empty bed. Wana track of Live and Die. Nano, it's a hit. Like every single song on this album. Yakonori iwe a brand new single. Usino fimini. Bakono uri wasukone wa tambasa singiri. Watu zilo zifo zoria. Ziko buya ndiko dipeli wa ndiko enjoya. Suzwapti zuko udapa noni. Usino fi ukwete ya mini. Wako bona. Inamritito mani. Yobikwa ya biva. Zuzanye, zangeliwa suzone. Angosokoro itu firiko recorder release. No. So nezo zangiliwa zo biva of dingamanda. So guys, make sure you go get this album. The track is ngoma mashudu, left them all, kundabarai, which is one track na ine aboriwe kwamba mapungwane. Yeah, aje na ngoma radio muni mkaruwane ponda ni azu for ish. Ndizone kwambori. Ningazo beba mfunzi man, ningazo beba mfunzi, but ni mutu ni kwaruwa, you need to respect, you need to understand life ingengwendira man. Life dobatela story already bachikongo ikanera maswa aina mungana aina best friend aina mini ina machirere ayo unazine ritizo ngatotoletse zahani. Yeah man, so ndimwe the track in never ndicho sezori. It's one dope song nayo the track no fikunda barai. So wakobona chikuda cycle afu ndiko zamu track tamba imwe track ati tizokwetya mini. Yeah ndimwe track ni ibizo mashudu nayo. It's a very nice song. Senda yambani ngimrau machankura watu abadeliyo singosokofi watu kabashume kubona kanjani ni parikoza na mapungori ni dokona anu riwane zina kodwa zona ranozo kudzura ni kukhonene kubona batoko buzo zingoho. And then aranda this Ramzeey, would you stay with me or would you leave me? Akubona the combination goes I've listened to the whole album. The album is way dope. So go get this album. It's worth having for this whole summer. Bakwe jema kwe tamba nepo. Bone. Ne, ndiwafuna zone. Amara here.